Top Test Prep.
Let's look at one more example of a synonym question found on the ISEE. This time we have the word clamor. Now in our previous example we were able to break up the word to kind of identify what the meaning is. But here there aren't really any obvious root bases to this problem. I mean, we see clam, but that has nothing to do with clams. So now we have to use another strategy where you have to think, have I ever heard this word in context, maybe in real life? And for me personally, when I think of this word, I always think of the fact that I'm the youngest of three, and we would always clamor for seats in the car or clamor for seats at the dinner table. So when I think about that imagery, now let's go through the options that we have. A mistake, that doesn't really go with the example that I gave, so I don't think that's right. Mixture, that really doesn't fit in with the context of the example I gave either. So let's eliminate that. Package, again, not very relevant when I try to think of the imagery of siblings battling over each other to get a good seat. Commotion, now that sounds like something that happens whenever we're sitting at the dinner table. So I'm going to hold on to that one and then we'll revisit it when we've looked at E. Recollection, that kind of means if you remember something, but it doesn't connotate the same kind of feeling that commotion does when I think of the word clamor. So I'm going to go and I'm going to say D, commotion, and it turns out that that's the correct answer as well. So if you need any more help preparing for the ISEE, feel free to call us at 1-800-501-7737.